Dear students, in this session we are going to continue solving previous year questions followed by few more additional problems. If sinus of x minus x squared by 2 plus x squared by 3 x squared by 4 up to infinity plus cosinus of x square minus x4 by 2 plus equal to pi by 2, 0 less than modulus x less than root 2, then x equals one by 2 1 0 d minus half. Sinus of x minus x square by 2 plus x squared by 4 plus cosinus of x squared minus x power 4 by 2 plus x power 6 by 4 equal to pi by 2, which implies cosinus of x squared minus x power 4 by 2 plus x power 6 by minus 4 x power 6 by 4 minus up to infinity equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x minus x square by 2 plus up to infinity. Cosinus of x squared minus x power 4 by 2 plus x power 6 by 4 minus up to infinity equal to cosinus of x minus x squared by 2 plus infinity. So this is in GP a by 1 minus r a, that is, which implies we can write x square minus x power 4 by 2 x power 6 by 4 up to infinity equal to x minus x square by 2 plus up to infinity. Can find both the sides are in GP. Sum to infinity a by 1 minus r a. We know that s infinity equal to a by 1 minus r. X square by a by 1 minus r x square by 2 here. If you multiply x square by 2, again you will get x square by 4. Right hand side you have x by a by 1 minus r. A means x. 1 minus r, that is x by 2. here minus x square by 2. Here also minus x by 2. X square by 1 plus x square by 2, x by 1 plus x by 2. X square by 2 plus x by 2 plus x by 2. 2x square by 2 plus x square, 2x by 2 plus x. 2x square into 2 plus x, 2x into 2 plus x square. Four x squared plus 2x cubed, 4x plus 2x cubed. 4x squared equal to 4x. 4x squared minus 4x equal to 0. 4x into x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal 0, x equal to 1. But 0 less than modulus x less than root 2. This is given statement, that is greater than 0. Therefore, x equal to 1. Option B is correct. So, number of real solution of tan is of root of x into x plus 1 plus sin is of root of x square plus x plus 1 equal to pi by 2 is option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D infinite. Tangents of root of x into x plus 1 plus sinus of root of x square plus x plus 1 equal to pi by 2. Tangents of x into x plus 1 pi by 2 minus sinus of root of x square plus x plus 1. Tangents of x into x plus 1 equal to cosinus of x square plus x plus 1. Sinus of x plus cosinus of x equal to pi by 2. Using this you are writing. Even this can be written as x squared plus x. We know that tan inverse of x equal to cos inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus x squared. Using this concept, tan inverse of root of x square plus x equal to cos inverse of 1 by 1 plus x squared, that is x square plus x the whole square. So tan inverse of cos inverse of root of 1 plus x squared. Here we have tan inverse of root of x square plus x, that can be written as cos inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus x squared. X means root of x square plus x the whole square. That means cos inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus, the root will be removed, x square plus x. Therefore, in place of this one, you can write cos inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus x squared equal to cos inverse of root of x square plus x plus 1. Cos inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus x square, removing cos inverse on both sides. 1 by root of 1 plus x square equal root of 1 plus x square, which implies 1 plus x square equal to 1. X plus x square equal to 0. X into 1 plus x equal to 0. X equal 0, x equal to minus 1. are the only two solutions. Option C 2. The value of x for which sine of cosinus of 1 plus x equal to cos of tan inverse of x is cosinus of 1 plus x cos of tan inverse of x. So we know tan inverse of x equal to cos inverse of root of 1 by 1 plus x squared. So in place of tan inverse of x, cos inverse 1 by root of 1 plus, you can write. Cosinus of 1 plus x equal to theta 1 plus x equal to cot theta. So theta equal to cot theta 1 plus x adjacent by opposite. So obviously this will be 1 plus x the whole square sin theta or cos sin theta 1 by root of theta equal to sin inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus x the whole square. Here theta equal to cot inverse of x theta, that is also equal to theta equal to sin inverse of equal term 1 by 1 plus root of 1 plus x the whole square. Now we have to replace these things here. So here cos into cos inverse of 1 by root of 1 plus x squared. Here sin into sin inverse of 1 by 1 plus x the whole square. Which implies 1 by equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x squared. So root of 1 plus x squared equal to root of 1 plus x the whole square. One plus x squared equal to 1 plus whole square. 1 plus 1 plus x square plus 2x. This will be cancelled, x square will be cancelled. 2x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus half. Option D is correct. If 0 less than x less than 1, then root of 1 plus x squared x cos cotnus of x plus sin cotnus of x the whole square minus 1 whole per half equal to option A x by root of 1 plus x squared, option B x, option C x into 1 plus x squared, option D 1 plus x squared. So root of 1 plus x squared x cotnus of x cos of cotnus of x sin cotnus of x whole square equal to root of 1 plus x squared x cos of that cotnus of x equal to theta, x equal to cot theta. This is obviously 1 plus x squared. Cos theta equal to x by root of 1 plus x squared. Theta equal to cosinus of x by root of. So this will be the equal term. So cos inverse of x by root of 1 plus x squared. Plus sine. Here also find sine theta 1 by root of 1 plus x squared. Theta equal to sinus of 1 by root of 1 plus x squared. That is sinus of 1 by root of 1 plus x squared. The whole squared minus 1 whole power half. Root of 1 plus x squared, x into x by root of 1 plus x squared plus 1 by root of 1 plus whole squared minus 1 whole power half. Root of 1 plus x squared plus 1 by root 1 plus x the whole squared minus 1 whole power half. Root of 1 plus x squared, we cancel. Root of 1 plus x squared minus 1 root of 1 plus x squared whole squared minus 1 whole power half. Root of 1 plus x squared minus 1 whole power half. X squared whole power half. X and root of 1 plus x squared. Option C is correct. The numerical value of tan of 2 tan of 1 by 5 minus pi by 4 is equal to dash. Tan of 2 tan of 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. Two tan of x equal to tan of 2x by 1 minus x square. We have the formula. So that tan of 2 into 1 by 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by 25 minus, in place of pi by 4 we can write tan of 1. Tan of 2 by 5 minus 24 by 25 minus tan of 1. tan of tan is of 2 by 5 into tan is of 1. Tan of tan is of 5 by 12 minus tan is of 1. So next, tan is of x minus tan is of y. Tan is of x minus a by 1 plus xy. Tan is of 5 by 12 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 5 by 12 into 1. Tan is of 5 minus 12 by 12 divided by 12 plus 5 by 12. This will be cancelled. Tan is of minus 7 by 17 equal to minus 7 by 17. Next, we are going to see a few results. Results of shortcut method. If tan is of x plus tan is of y plus tan is of z equal to pi by 2, then xy plus yz plus zx equal to 1. If tan is of x plus tan is of y plus tan is of z equal to pi, then x plus y plus z equal to x, y, z. If sinus of x plus sinus of y plus sinus of z equal to pi by 2, then x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2xy z equal to 1. If sinus of x plus sinus of y sinus of z equal to pi, then x into root of 1 minus x squared plus y into root of 1 minus y squared z root of 1 minus z squared equal to 2xyz. If cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y plus cos inverse is 3 pi, then xy plus yz plus zx equal to 3. If cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y plus cos inverse of z equal to pi, then x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy is equal to 1. If sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y plus sin inverse of z equal to 3 pi by 2, then xy plus yz plus zx equal to 3. If sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y equal to theta, then cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y equal to pi minus theta. If cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y equal to theta, then sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y equal to pi minus theta. If tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equal to pi by 2, then xy equal to 1. If cot inverse of x plus cot inverse of y equal to pi by 2, then xy equal to 1. If x square by a square, if cos inverse of x by a plus cos inverse of y by b equal to theta, then x square by a square minus 2x by ab cos theta प्लस y स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू sin स्क्वायर थीटा. If sinus of x plus two by 3 and cosinus of x minus cosinus of y equal to pi by 3, solve. So sinus of x plus sinus of y equal to 2 by 3. This can be written as pi by 2 minus cosinus of x plus pi by 2 minus cosinus of y equal to 2 by 3. Since sinus of x plus cosinus of equal to pi by 2. Applying this, we have written pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi minus 2 by 3 equal to cosinus of x plus cosinus of y. Cosinus of x plus cosinus of y equal to pi by 3. Let it be 1. Let this be 2. One plus 2 gives 2 cosinus of x equal to 2 by 3. Cosinus of x equal to pi by 3. X equal to cos pi by 3, that is equal to 1 by 2. Next, 1 minus 2, this will be cancelled. 2 cosinus of y equal to 0, cosinus of y equal to 0, y equal to cos 0 equal to 1. X equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1. Three tannus of 1 by 2 plus root 3 minus tan inverse of 1 by x equal to tan inverse of 1 by 3. Three tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus root 3 minus tan inverse of 1 by x equal to tan inverse of 1 by 3. Let it be 1. So tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus root 3 equal to tan inverse of 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Ration is the denominator. Tan inverse of 2 minus root 3, that is 4 minus 3 equal to tan inverse of 2 minus root 3. Three tan inverse of x equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cubed by 1 minus 3x squared. Three tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus root 3 equal to 3 into tan inverse of 2 minus root 3. Tan inverse of 3x, 3 into 2 minus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3 the whole cube divided by 1 minus 3 into x squared. Two minus root 3 the whole squared. So tan inverse of 6 minus 3 root 3, or you can take 2 minus root 3 in common, 3 minus 2 minus 3 whole squared divided by 1 minus 3 into 4 plus 3 minus a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Tan inverse of 2 minus root 3, 3 minus 4 plus 3 minus 4 root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3. Tan inverse of 2 minus root 3, 3 minus 4 minus 3 plus 4 root 3. One minus 21 plus 12 root 3. 4 into minus 1 plus root 3 divided by minus 20 plus 12 root 3. Tan is of 2 minus root 3 into 4 minus 1 plus root 3 divided by 4 into minus 5 plus 3 root 3. 4 will be cancelled. Tan is of minus 2 plus root 3 plus root 3 minus 6 whole divided by minus 5 plus 3 root 3. So root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3, just 3. Tan is of minus 5 plus 3 root 3 divided by minus 5 plus 3 root 3. Equal to tan is of 1. Therefore, 3 tan is of 1 by 2 plus root 3 minus tan is of 1 by x equal to tan is of 1 by 3, which implies tan is of 1 minus tan is 1 by x equal to tan is of 1 by 3. Tan is of x minus y by 1 plus tan is of x minus tan is of y equal to tan is of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Tan is of x minus y by x by x plus 1 by x equal to tan is of 1 by 3. This will be cancelled. X minus 1 by x plus 1 equal to 1 by 3. 3x minus 3 equal to x plus 1. Two x equal to 4. X equal to 2. So it is a numerical type question. X takes value 2. Tan squared secants of 2 plus cot squared cosecants of 3 equal to tan squared secant of 2 plus cot squared cosecant of 3 equal to secant squared secant of 2 minus 1 plus cosecant squared cosecant of 3 minus 1. Tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. Cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Here secant of 2 the whole square we can write, that is 2 whole square minus 1 plus 3 whole square minus 1. Four minus 1 plus 9 minus 1, that is 13 minus 2, that is 11. So option C is correct. Tan of 1 by 3 plus tan of 1 by 7 1 by 13 1 by n square plus n plus 1 infinity pi by 2 pi by 4 2 by 3 0. So tan of 1 by 3 plus tan of 1 by 7 plus tan of 1 by 13 tan of 1 by n square plus n plus 1. Tan of that is 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 2 into 1. Tan of 1 3 minus 2 by 1 plus 3 into 2 plus tan inverse of 4 minus 3 1 plus 4 into 3 plus etc. Tan of n plus 1 minus n divided by 1 plus n plus 1 into n. This can be written as tan of 2 minus tan of 1 tan of 3 minus tan of 2 plus etc. plus tan of n plus 1 minus tan of n, which implies tan of n plus 1 minus. So this term will be cancelled. Proceeding like this term will not be cancelled and this term will not be cancelled. This is up to n terms. Equal to tan of n plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus n plus 1 into 1 tan of n by n plus 2 So tan is of 1 by 3 plus tan is of 1 by 7 plus tan is of 1 by 13 plus etc. tan inverse of 1 by n squared plus n plus 1 up to infinite terms equal to limit n tends to infinity tan is of n by n plus 2 equal to limit n tends to infinity tan is of n by n into 1 plus 2 by n. This will be cancelled. If you apply n tends to infinity, tan is 1 by 1 plus 0. Tan is of 1 equal to pi by 4. Option B is correct. So next session we will start new chapter. Thank you.